Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about understanding a Google Ad Metrics in a very simple way. What is Google Ad Metrics? Google Ad Metrics are numbers that show how your ads are performing. They help you to understand if your ad work or not. Impression. Impression means how many times your ad shown to people. Even if someone doesn't click in your ad, it still count as an impression. Clicks and CTR. Clicks show how many people clicks on your ad. CTR means click through rate. CTR show how interesting your ads to people. CPC, cost per click. CPC means how much money pay for each click. Lawyer CPC means you are spending less money. Conversation. Conversation are the action you want from people. For example, buying a product, signing up, or filling out a form. Conversation rate and cost per conversation. Conversation rate show how many clicks turn into conversation. Cost per conversation show how much you spend to get per conversation. Why Google Ad Metrics are important? Google Ad Metrics help to you improve your ad, save your money and get better result. Thanks for watching. If any needed, please contact me with WhatsApp or drop a comment.